Cell diagram of an electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Here, concentration of electrolyte of anode half cell has been given 0.10 molar. Two parallel lines indicate salt bridge. Right half cell. Here, concentration of electrolyte of reduction half cell has been given, which is 0.05 molar. This is cell diagram of an electrochemical cell in which concentrations of electrolytes have been given. Given that standard oxidation potential of zinc electrode, which is 0.76 volt, and standard oxidation potential of copper, which is minus 0.34 volt. We have to calculate cell potential of the cell at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Cell potential of the cell has to be calculated at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. So let's get started. Cell diagram of an electrochemical cell in which concentrations of electrolytes have been given. For this, we have to use Nernst equation. Nernst equation is cell potential is equal to standard cell potential plus 2.303 RT by NF, then log. Here, concentration of electrolyte of reduction half cell and concentration of electrolyte of oxidation half cell. This equation we can write in this way. Cell potential is equal to, this is standard cell potential. This is equal to, we can write standard oxidation potential of anode minus standard oxidation potential of cathode plus 2.303 RT by NF, then log concentration of electrolyte of cathode and concentration of electrolyte of anode. Here R, molar gas constant 8.316 joule per Kelvin per mole. T, 25 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin temperature, this is 298 Kelvin. Then N, which is 2, number of electrons transferred. Zinc, copper 2 plus, zinc 2 plus, copper. Number of electrons transferred, 2 electrons. Then F, Faraday, 96,500 Coulomb. And then concentration of electrolyte 0.05 molar. Then concentration of zinc electrolyte 0.10 molar. Now, putting these values and these values in this equation, we can get this. Here, standard oxidation potential of anode 0.76 volt minus standard oxidation potential of cathode, which is minus 0.34 volt, plus here we get 2.303 times R, 8.316 times 298 divided by N, number of electrons transferred, Faraday 96,500 coulomb, then log here concentration of copper electrolyte, this is 0.05 molar, concentration of zinc electrolyte 0.10 molar. From these values we can get directly 1.0911 volt. This is cell potential of these cell. Cell potential of this cell is this 1.0911 volt. Thanks for watching.